Once upon a time, in a lush green forest, lived a little boy named Ayan and his playful friend, a baby panda named Pari. Ayan loved exploring with Pari, teaching her new games, and sharing delicious fruits from the forest trees. Pari would clumsily follow Ayan everywhere, her black and white fur gleaming in the sunlight. Every day, they would play hide and seek among the tall trees or splash in the cool stream that bubbled through the forest. Ayan would tell Pari stories in Urdu, and Pari would listen intently, her round eyes full of curiosity. They were inseparable friends, bringing joy to each other with their laughter and adventures. As the sun set behind the mountains, Ayan and Pari would bid farewell, promising to meet again the next day. Their friendship, built on love and trust, made their forest home a magical place where dreams came true.